Hi. Wait. Do not scroll up or down, please. Unless you show your thumb up, and do not forget to subscribe. I'm going to teach you how to replace the disc of the, what do you call it? Bicycle. Actually, this way is the right one. This way is the wrong one. So make sure, because the direction of the rotation is very important in the discs. And this will show you, the arrow show you the direction of the rotation. 4 pegs. Yeah. And then we have, okay, this one you have to put in the middle, not in the highest pressure, and then you can continue on. Yeah, and in a this way. Not in a higher pressure. Done. So, thumb up. Do not forget to subscribe.